Okay, I am going to request again. Okay, can you see?
It's be joining this meeting. This one, dismiss. Hello. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, all right.
Now.
Okay, so I have. Do I have control now?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, all right. So if we go to view, no, I cannot. I still have. I still cannot control. Okay, one more time. I am requesting control. Okay, you have to approve.
Yeah. I approve. Yeah.
Oh, still cannot.
Why?
Cannot control. Cannot control your PC. No, cannot. Stop control request. Okay, again.
Okay. Hey, this is allow.
Oh. No, cannot. Okay. All right. So okay, the problem is that when you present, okay, it is not slideshow. Okay, that's why they say it's too small. So you
Okay,
have to.
but you, doctor, already you are control my
No,
laptop.
I
You are
cannot.
control now.
No, I cannot control.
Why? But I cannot do anything now.
Really?
Yeah.
See, I can. Nope, cannot. Okay, I will stop control. Okay, now you control yourself.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, go to slideshow.
Okay, doctor, I need to know the problem. You cannot see anything from my slides or what?
I see your slide, but it's actually like I can see the slide outline also on the left.
Yeah.
So when the slide outline is there, it will be small um, in the screen. So that's why you need to go for the slideshow.
You need to move the slideshow. So if I open another laptop and try to share my PowerPoint screen with my friend, maybe we will solve the problem.
Okay, maybe, but here you cannot. This is not. This is not. You didn't click on the slideshow. So this is normal. See, this is normal. It is on the left, far left. But you need to click on the slideshow. Ah, now it's slideshow.
Okay, I click. This is
Ah,
slideshow.
it's not. It's not.
Now,
No, it's still not slideshow. Click again.
like, yeah,
Yes, click.
I click. This is
Ah,
slideshow.
no, it's not your slideshow. It is
No,
normal.
yeah, doctor, slideshow.
If it is slideshow, okay, it must be this color. Okay, the orange color. Okay,
Orange color.
but this one is normal. The one that is orange is normal. So you need to
Oh,
click on slideshow, then only your slide will come out. Okay.
oh. But I click on slideshow, but not effect on the my presentation. I don't know what's the problem.
Okay, that's
Also
your
on
problem.
the brief Viva
Uh,
say
try
that
push F5.
slideshow.
F5.
Ah. F5. Okay. Click F5. Uh, uh,
Right?
F5 on your keyboard.
Yeah. Yeah. This is F5. I click F5, but I think not active.
Control
I
F5.
click I click F5, but there is any change. There is not any changing in my screen. This is F5.
Okay, so what's the problem? I think maybe your PC. Can you do this without when you are not doing online? When you are not meeting online like this? Can you go for the slideshow?
Without online?
No, for example, if you are not online, is your PowerPoint okay or not?
Okay, I cannot know if there is any problem if not online.
No, no.
That for me, there is a slideshow. For me,
Uh-huh.
when you like this, this is a slideshow. This is a slideshow.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, for me, there is a slideshow, but for you, there is no slideshow.
Yes, yes. Okay, in your screen is slideshow.
Yeah,
Full slideshow.
yeah.
Okay, Aman, do you see full slideshow or you see normal?
I see no
Normal, right?
Yeah,
normal.
I don't know what's the
I
problem,
see
really.
normal.
So Arin, for your Viva, you need to find a laptop that can show you the full
Okay,
slideshow.
I will
Right?
change my laptop.
Okay,
I will
because
change my laptop.
you don't want to have this problem. This is technical problem.
Yeah,
Okay, this is
yeah,
not your
technical
thesis
problem,
problem.
I think.
This is not your thesis
Yeah,
problem. This is technical problem. So avoid
yeah.
all this technical problem. Okay.
Okay, okay, doctor.
Okay. All right. Okay. Can you show me what is the thing that you have changed?
Okay. Yeah, I already changed my problem statement. I add the problem statements that related to the GCC, as Dr. Yaziz want, about the annual growth of bank assets, deposit growth, and the credit growth for the three countries. Okay, this is okay, no problem for doctors. And I changed the research objective and research question. Uh, the new contribution, I rewrite the contribution, but I need your advice in the this one, discussions, finding and discussion. Okay, this is okay. This is the for first objective. Okay, doctor, finding and discussions about first objective for Jordanian banks alone. Okay.
Okay. So what's the discussion?
Okay. Yeah, just finding. This is findings.
Okay.
I should write just findings here.
Oh yeah. Where is the discussion?
Yeah,
So.
here. Here discussions. Okay. I will exclude that. Findings. Okay. Okay. This is for Jordanian banks. I put just the results of my thesis, such as non-performing loan, non-significant with ROE and ROA and Tobin's Q. Okay. I put it in tables.
Okay, that's good. But okay, the discussion must be. I mean, Dr. Yazis want the discussion, right?
No, not discussions, not discussions. I was have 25 slides. I delete 3 slides to be more familiar and better than like that. Here, here the findings related to Jordan, Saudi Arabia, and Qatar. So I put the 3 countries, okay, like my thesis, Jordan, Saudi Arabia, and Qatar, and this is the summarization. This is already in my thesis, okay, and I put where is the accepted hypothesis. I highlight it to the accepted hypothesis, okay.
Okay. The one that you say accepted. Okay. Maybe you can find something else that which is easier to.
Yeah,
Uh,
that was already two tables. I make it easier by
I know.
write
I know.
it.
I
I
know.
put
Yes. Yes.
the
Arin.
significant or not.
Yes. I want you to
Okay.
do, for example, maybe highlight is better. Highlighting is better rather than you put what I call it, the arrow. You
Okay.
understand? Maybe you put, for example, the one that is you already bold it, okay? But maybe you can put you bold and also highlighted with color. Maybe uh, green color or yellow color, and then
This one, like
yes,
this, doctor. Okay, like this. Okay, like this one, like this. Okay, or blue, like this, doctor.
no. That is the color of the font. You want to highlight, okay? The
Okay, highlight. Okay. Okay,
highlight,
highlight it.
okay? So, example,
Okay.
accept.
Okay.
It is if your hypothesis is accept, it's green. If the hypothesis is rejected, it's red. Okay, so something like that. You don't have to put the arrow and then put accept. It's too it is too messy. It's too messy.
So I should put just accept, or reject, not non-significant and significant.
Yeah, significant, which means that you accept your hypothesis, right? For
Yeah.
example, car positive significant for ROA and ROE. Okay,
Okay.
but after that you
Okay.
put an arrow, right? You
Yeah.
put arrow accept, right? So instead of
Yeah.
putting arrow, you just highlight the significant, okay, and then you put down there the highlighted yellow is significant, accepted.
Okay.
Okay, because you want to show that there are NPL only one which is accepted, really, for Qatar. Is it for Qatar? NPL, Qatar and Tobinsky. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Macam stuck je tu, Prof.
Start lah tu.
Tengok gambar dia.
Man, you depan ni Man,
Ya, Prof.
you pukul 9.30
Ya, saya.
Oh, saya lupa lah. Saya tak perasan pula you punya nama 9.30.
Aha. Saya pun kalau boleh just ingat nak simple je, Prof, sebab apa I not feeling well, tapi tak apalah, saya tahan lagi tak makan ubat.
Kenapa?
Target saya nak apa yang bincang pasal problem statement saya.
Okay. Demam ke apa?
Saya dah save dalam apa dalam Google Drive tu.
Google Drive ke Dropbox?
Google Drive. Sorry, Dropbox.
Okay. Mana Arin tak masuk balik
A3 siapa ni? A3 saya. A3 saya.
A3 you lah tu. A. Okay, Man. Sementara Arin masuk, you boleh cerita apa benda?
Okay, kejap bro Nak saya tunjuk ke?
Boleh.
Siapa nak buatkan lagi tak dapat ni. Dua je dah bagi tak dapat.
Prof nampak ke muka slide saya?
Belum.
Hah?
Belum.
Tak keluar lagi
Dia keluar tapi hitam ni.
Alamak.
Okay, dia nampak.
Okay.
Hitam balik.
So yang Prof minta buat table apa semua tu saya dah buat dah.
Hitam balik,
Yang,
hitam balik.
yang table pasal collection, lepas tu pasal
Man, hitam main
Dekat zakat fitrah collection. Alamak.
Tak nampak hitam.
Ya, saya pindah bilik Prof, takut sini lain tak kuat dah.
Macam-macam pindah-pindah. Okey.
Okey tak Prof?
Hitam lagi. Asalnya hitam, tak tahu kenapa ni. You punya word ni kok hitam. You punya
Mana masalahnya?
Ya, masuk bilik lah. Aduh. Dia budak-budak dia orang gurau. Sorry Prof.
anak ada berapa orang
3 je.
Paling besar berapa umur?
Dah 6.
Yang paling kecil?
Paling kecil 6 tahun. Tu dia orang berdua lah tu tengah menengki kakak dia.
Kakak yang sulung lah? Oh, yang dua bawah lelaki?
Lelaki nombor 2 perempuan. Masih tak nampak lagi ya Prof?
Tak nampak, hitam je, gelap. Okey Arin dah masuk balik. Ni dia okey pula. Sekejap dia hitam, sekejap dia putih.
So macam mana Prof? Bagi Arin dulu lah, tak apa.
Okay, Arin, can you continue? Okay, Arin, your just now, okay, instead of putting an arrow, okay, you just highlight, okay, the one that is you accepted.
Yeah, I can. Okay.
Because when you put the arrow, it's too messy in your slide.
Okay. I will highlight and okay, doctor. Also for this is for liquidity risk management.
I can't see.
Credit risk management and
see.
liquidity risk management.
You need to share your screen. Okay. All right. Okay, now I can see.
I will do that.
Okay, now I can see. Okay, so instead of you yeah. So it's too messy. See, it's too messy.
This is for objective number 2. This is the findings. This is for
okay. So you just highlight. Okay, you just highlight.
What?
Right? You just highlight the thing that she's accepted.
Okay, I will do that.
Okay.
Okay.
And then.
Okay.
And then how do you explain it?
This is objective number 3.
Okay. So how do you explain? What will be the discussion?
I will explain. What?
Okay,
there is no discussion, or there is just I put if there is. This is another tables, but I didn't put the tables because the doctors told me there is a lot of numbers and we didn't need all of that. Okay. Just I write if there is any significant differences. This is the significant difference.
Yes, but we need the discussion. Why is it different? So why? That's very important. Arin? Okay, for example, why do we think it's actually, okay, there was significant difference between Jordan, Qatar, and Saudi Arabia in all indicators of the liquidity risk management.
But I think this is, I talk.
You will explain without anything.
Okay, this is, okay, just I should I should be ready for the presentation. Yeah. Okay, doctor, I don't write the discussions. Why? Because already I will talk it without presentation. Just talk it, tell me, without writing on the PowerPoint.
Arin, I want you to do it. You put one slide, a discussion. Okay? Put one slide, a discussion.
One slide, okay.
But
I will put another slide.
Arin,
okay.
Listen first. Listen first.
Okay.
You want my advice or not? Or you don't want my advice?
Okay. No.
Okay, you put a discussion slide, but don't put it in writing, so much writing. We just put something, okay, research objective 1, what is discussion, research objective 2, discussion, research objective 3, discussion, without like a very long sentence. So just put the point. Okay, what is the key point? Understand?
Points. Okay.
Okay, what will be the key points in the three objectives?
Okay. Yeah, I understand.
Okay.
This
Okay,
is
good.
after findings.
Yep. Yep. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. This is
Okay,
after.
because I don't want you to forget, because once
Okay.
what call it, you just want to talk, okay, and then without the point, then you sometimes you go and discuss something which is not in your thesis. You understand?
Uh-huh.
Okay,
Okay.
I don't. Okay, so
Okay. Yeah, I
want.
understand you.
Okay, I want you to be focused. Okay, in your thesis you discuss this. Okay, you just mentioned that. For example, research objective 2. Okay, there were significant differences between Jordan, Qatar, and Saudi in all indicators. Okay, all indicators. So this you need to have a discussion there. Okay, why do you think that liquidity risk management? So maybe there is a very what I call it, liquidity risk management is very important. Okay, in what call it, in risk management. So the banks always make sure that liquidity risk management is being, what call it, that's why it's significant. Okay, because Basel 2 or Basel 3, okay, maybe
Okay.
I'm not really sure what would be the discussion. So this will be your discussion. Okay. Right. So you just
Okay. I will put a slide about discussion for the three objectives.
yes. Okay. Because if you just put this, you will not be it's not sufficient for PhD. Okay, it's not sufficient. It's only for degree we talk about findings. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Okay. Next,
Okay.
what would be
Okay.
the thing that you have changed?
Okay. No, just this is things. Just and I put just these the results.
Okay. Okay. All right. Okay.
The
So
results just.
okay. Okay. Can you follow my comment? The
Okay,
next
and this is the
next week.
recommendation.
Okay. Next. Then you have recommendation. So can you
Okay.
show the.
Okay. In the brief, I talk about the stability of the banking system as the dependent variable. Yeah, and I put about the stability of the banking system in the recommendation. We can do another thesis or articles related to the stability of the banking system. I put it in the number 6.
Okay, ni Arid, you must have your conclusion. Okay, you cannot just go from findings and discussion without conclusion. You need to have,
Conclusion.
yeah,
Okay.
what is your conclusion?
Yeah, I didn't write conclusion.
Yeah, you must write your conclusion, your chapter
Okay.
chapter 5 or chapter 6. Okay, so that's very important.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so can you go to your
Okay,
the one that you download just now?
The downloading is cut.
Huh?
It's so slowly and then cut when I cut the sharing my screen.
Okay, so it's not downloading?
No.
Okay. All right. So okay, your task right now is to download, okay, and then to try to upload, okay, your thesis. Secondly is
Okay.
your presentation. I want it to be with your conclusion, discussion, okay. All right. So where is your contribution just now? Contribution. Can you show me the
Yeah,
contribution?
there's okay. This one.
Okay, last time when I mentioned to you, we have 3 types contribution. One is knowledge, the other one contribution to knowledge, contribution to the industry, contribution to the context. So you need to differentiate which is contribution to knowledge, which is contribution to industry. I think your thesis is not also writing that. Okay, did you write that in your thesis, Arin?
No,
Yeah, that's why. That's
no, I
why. That's the
didn't write
problem.
to industry and to knowledge. I didn't
Okay.
differentiate.
Yes, you when you don't do that, you will definitely there will be correction for you to do that. Okay.
Okay,
There will be the
okay,
external examiner will ask you to do that. Okay, but I'm telling you now. Okay, I'm telling you now. So we will have contribution to knowledge, and then this is very what you call it crucial. Okay, if you don't do this correctly, you might have problem with your PhD. Okay, maybe it will be a
okay.
reviver. Okay, maybe
Uh-huh.
okay, it's because PhD is about contribution.
Okay.
Okay, so
Uh-huh.
contribution normally we will look at knowledge, okay, to the industry, and then also to the maybe to the policy, okay, policy making or whatever, right, and also
Okay.
the contextual. Okay,
Okay.
so
So
you need to do that. Okay, if you don't want to do that, it's okay, but I'm sure, okay, your thesis will have correction and they will ask you to do this.
okay, but doctor, I submit manually. There is no problem if I do these corrections now.
No. I already asked you to submit, right? But you will do this because they will ask you to do this one afterwards when you viva. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Okay.
Hopefully they will like say, okay, Arin, it's okay. Okay, you can do that. But if they are very fierce, they say that your PhD is not PhD, then it's going to be very difficult. Okay, so that's why I want you in your presentation you need to put, okay, contribution to knowledge, but because I've already told you, but you don't do. Right.
Okay.
Yeah,
Need
you
to.
have to do it now. Okay. Okay, and then when you present during viva you already do that. Okay, you already do that.
Okay.
Okay, because this is PhD work. PhD work is contribution. Okay.
Okay.
All right, I
Okay.
don't want you to have problem during your viva. Okay.
Okay, doctor, but you just tell me to do my contribution as a key contribution in the last chapter, okay? I do that, but I don't differentiate between industry, policy, or like this, okay? I will do that.
Yeah, you must do that. If you don't do that, you will be finished. Halas.
Oh,
you know, you know what I mean?
okay.
You know what I mean? They will
Oh, yeah,
they
yeah,
will
I
they
understand.
will they will bash you. Okay, they will bash you. They
Okay.
will ask you, what's your contribution to knowledge? Okay, if I ask you, what is your contribution to knowledge? Can you answer me?
Uh-huh.
Can you answer me now?
Uh, uh-huh. What's your contribution for policy and
No,
for
no, no. If
knowledge
I
and
ask,
for
no, no,
industry?
Arin, I'm asking you, what is your
Well,
contribution to knowledge?
for my, I added the I do comprehensive literature review related to the credit risk management and liquidity risk management.
No,
So
no,
I
no.
think
That
there
is
is
not contribution to knowledge. That is
it's
not
not
contribution to
contribution,
knowledge. No, that is normal PhD work. That is the
normal
normal
BS.
PhD work. What is your contribution to knowledge? What is your thesis contribution to knowledge? You remember last time when
Okay,
the pre-viva they also asked you this. Okay, they also asked you this, but you didn't do
okay.
it. You didn't take it as
No,
contribution.
no, I rewrite my contribution to be, I develop a new model called the CRITI model. This is a comprehensive model for measuring risk management practices, okay?
Okay.
Or you advise me to write that, yeah?
Yeah. Okay. Is that
Oh,
contribution to knowledge or not?
okay.
See, you are okay. You need to be confident. That's why you need to put which one is contribution to knowledge, which one
I
is
should differentiate. I should
yeah. You
differentiate.
should differentiate.
Okay, this correction just on my presentation, or I should correct my thesis and submit the correction with my thesis.
If you can do that, then it's better for your thesis. Okay, for your thesis, because from your thesis, your discussion, your chapter 5 is too shallow. I can say that it's too shallow, but I don't want to push you to do whatever because you this but I think it's too shallow. Okay, your last chapter is too shallow. It's too small. Okay,
Uh-huh.
okay, it's too small. It's just like you didn't. This is my personal opinion. Okay, my personal opinion. Okay, but I'm not
Okay.
okay. But I'm not going to prevent you to go for the Viva. Okay, right?
Okay.
So because you say that you want to go to Viva and then you want me to do it as soon as possible. Okay, but the risk is very high for you. The risk is very high for you because the chapter 5 is too shallow. Okay, you should actually, for example, I've already mentioned that your contribution is very important. Okay, you need to divide it into contribution to knowledge, contribution to industry, contribution to contextual. Okay, for example, in terms of Jordan, Qatar, and also the Arab Saudi. Okay, so that will be something that you can actually talk about. Okay, so that's why if you remember during your pre-viva, they ask you what is your contribution, what is different for your thesis, right?
Okay. Okay.
You
Okay.
remember last time? Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So
Oh, yeah.
that is a very, very strong question. Very, very strong
Okay.
question that need
Oh,
you
yeah.
to.
But this is the differentiate between the knowledge and industry. This is a new request from you. The
No, no, no.
differentiate.
I already asked you to look at my thesis.
Ah.
Ah,
Okay.
all of the student thesis also do the same thing. You look at Ahmad thesis, you look at Khairun Nisa thesis, you look at all the
Okay.
thesis. Everybody do that.
Okay, doctor.
And then during
Okay.
your pre-viva also, the examiner asks you that. Okay?
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, doctor.
So
Okay.
you asking me that I'm asking you the first time. I already asked you for many, many times. Okay, many, many times. Okay, look at how they do it. Okay, contribution to knowledge, industry. If you don't think that I have already asked all my students, then you might have not come to the meetings. Okay,
Oh,
you might have not
okay.
come attend our regular meeting because I always talk about it
Okay.
in our regular meeting. Okay,
Okay. Yeah, there is okay. I
okay.
will be
So
always in the regular meeting. I will
yeah,
be always here in the regular meeting. No problem.
okay, and
Okay.
then okay,
I
okay.
arrange my time.
Yeah,
Okay.
this is very, very important because I'm not going to hold you longer. I want you to finish the PhD, but I want you to do it to do it at the PhD level, right?
Okay.
PhD level, not a degree
Inshallah.
level, not a degree level. Okay, not a degree
Okay.
level. You remember Dr. Yazid said it's just like a degree level.
Uh-huh.
Remember last time he said,
Yeah.
what is your your PhD is a PhD level. What you actually contribute your PhD is as a PhD level, not a degree level, right? You remember last
Okay.
time he said that?
I don't understand. I don't hear them when he talk with you. That say that. I don't hear them.
Do you refer to the video recording?
No.
No, you have to
Video
check back.
recording.
Yeah, you have to
Okay.
check back your pre-viva video recording. Check one by one. Okay, check one by one what
Okay.
exactly they say about it. Because there is a video recording for your pre-viva, right?
Oh yeah.
Ah, so you have to check. You have to check. You have to be I know, Arin, you are very busy woman. You have a child also, but this is your last stage. You must put
Yeah,
more
I know.
effort, more
Yeah, I
effort,
know. I know that.
right? Last stage.
Yeah, this is
This is
last.
whether you
Yeah,
have PhD or you don't have PhD, right?
okay.
Okay, whether you
Okay.
have a doctor or not a doctor. Last one, right? So you need to be very, very critical here. Very, very critical. You cannot just put okay, halas. Okay, mafi mushkilah. Okay, I don't want. Okay, I don't care. Okay, halas. Right? Cannot do that. You need. This is your PhD, right?
Yeah.
So you need to
Okay.
be up to the PhD standard. Okay, up to the PhD standard.
Uh,
Okay, your work as is already up to. I mean, it's already there, but you need to touch up and make it a PhD level, right? You need to differentiate it between degree and PhD. If I'm not mistaken, Dr. Yaziz have mentioned about it. I want to check whether I have the pre-viva recording. Where is the pre-viva recording? No, I don't have it in my. No, it's not here. Maybe I have already been taken out from that things. I cannot see where I can actually find the
okay,
record.
doctor, I will try. I will try, doctor. Really, I will try. Do you know, doctor, do you know from QT, before QT, do you know, I am staying on my father home. I didn't go to Saudi Arabia before QT. Before QT, I didn't go to Saudi Arabia. I am in Jordan from 2 years without my husband. My husband in Saudi Arabia, and I'm here in Jordan to finish my PhD. It's so difficult to have a lot of responsibilities.
It's okay. You need to do your responsibility also. You are a wife.
Uh,
You need to do that. Okay, but
okay, no, I
uh,
from 2 years, I'm without my husband in Saudi Arabia, and I'm here in Jordan.
okay, good. I don't want to say good or I don't want to say not good, right? But I think you need to do it as good as a PhD student. Okay, I don't want
Okay,
you to go and then you cry, right?
okay, no.
Ah,
Okay,
okay. I don't want you to go your viva and then you cry and then you say, if I've done it better, okay, if I could done it better,
okay,
right? So there will be
uh,
a because will be the last one, the last stage. This will be the last stage,
okay,
okay? Okay, the last stage. So
okay.
you need to do it properly, very carefully. You can see that, okay, is this okay or not? Okay, because this is your 4 years work.
Yeah, 4 years work. Yeah,
See,
I know that.
4 years work.
Okay,
So you don't want your 4 years work go down in the drain.
yeah,
Okay, so make sure that
sure.
everything is very good. Okay. All right. So
Okay, okay.
it's already
Okay, so
9:51.
just I want to tell you another thing, just the final thing I want to tell you. After 2 days on Wednesday, I will travel to Saudi Arabia, okay? This Wednesday I will travel to Saudi Arabia, okay? Just I will tell you to go to my husband,
Okay.
okay?
Okay.
Because already I stay here in Jordan two
It's okay.
years
Mafi
and
mushkila.
fine.
Mafi mushkila. You don't have to
Yeah,
tell
just I
me.
want to tell you just this week. Okay, I will be on meeting weekly, but so this week I will travel, and there is I need 2 days to reach to my husband. Okay,
Okay.
because they travel on the bus. Okay,
Okay.
just I
Okay.
want to tell you.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank.
But you don't forget when you with your husband, you still have to finish this. Okay.
Okay, inshallah,
So make
inshallah,
sure that
inshallah.
you have already submitted the thing. Okay. So sometimes I'm very, I mean, I'm very, what call it, dissatisfied lah with your work. Okay, for example, email have sent to you by Izzati saying that you need to upload using VPN, but you didn't do it, right? So that's the problem.
Yeah.
Okay, that's the problem. So you
Okay.
need to do. Okay, so you need to do it. Then only it will be halas. If you don't do, don't halas, right? Okay. All right, Arin, I want to talk with Aman.
Okay, I highly appreciate your advice always. I highly appreciate. Okay.
I know. You can
I will.
finish. Mafi mushkilah. You can finish, but you must put 110% effort. The last minute. This is last. This is just like the last. You are going to the finishing line. You know.
Okay.
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 You are going to the finishing line, but if you're at the finishing line, are you going to run faster or you want to just relax or you know what I mean? If you are running, for example, 400 meter, right? 400 meter, and then during the finishing line, are you going to go faster or you want to relax? Okay, you should be
Okay.
you should be putting more what call it effort at the last finishing line, right? Put more effort.
Inshallah. Inshallah.
Okay. So
Inshallah.
this would be your four years work. Okay, 4 years work. You'll be your PhD, you'll be Dr. Arin lah. Okay, Dr. Arin. Okay, you don't want that doctor is not be there. So your Dr. Arin, you must work very hard. The last finishing line. All right. Okay. Thank you so much, Arin. Send my
Thank you,
regards to
Doctor.
your husband.
Thank you, Doctor. Thank you. Thank you. Really, thank you. Send my regards for your wife and your brother, your
Children.
sons. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you,
Inshallah.
Doctor.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank
Okay. Assalamualaikum.
you.
Okay, Aman.
Assalamualaikum bro.
Salam. Okay.
Nak
Hitam
pergi
lagi.
page by page ke macam mana bro?
Hah?
Nak page by page ke atau yang mana yang saya nak highlight je?
You yang mana you highlight je lah. Sebab you pun nak demam ni kan. Tapi hitam je keluar ni.
Hah? Hitam lagi? Alamak. Asal dia berdemam je saya ni.
Ada. Macam ni lah. Saya buka dekat saya.
Okey. Kejap.
You tengok you punya skrin tadi hitam.
Itu macam tak keluar kan?
Tak. Sebelum ni, ini bukan. Yang tadi hitam.
Atas sekali.
Okay, you apa ni? Ambil kontrol.
Kontrol biasa. Okay. Alright.
Okay, silakan. Mana yang nak ni?
Okay. Okay, ni yang warna biru ni yang SB saya punya komen. So saya tengok dia lebih banyak pada paraphrase balik lah.
Yang tulisan biru siapa?
Dr. Faisal.
Okay.
Yang prop itu warna merah. So
yang ni dia dah discuss dengan you belum?
Dia dah highlight apa-apa perkara yang perlu saya bertindakkan lah. Contoh macam table saya letak connection itu 2021 je. Apa namanya, berapa nilai zakat fitrah dia suruh daripada 2019.
Saya dengan Arin tu kadang-kadang saya kena cakap betul-betul juga tu. Diorang kadang-kadang ni
Wah, rugilah dia buat macam tu. Sebab apa, tengok semua dah ada dah. Apa reporting yang buat slide.
Kadang-kadang dia orang ni sebab yelah dia ada anak, ada husband semua, tapi itulah dia tak pandai nak bagi masa rasanya. Dan orang perempuan susah sikit lah. Saya admit perempuan susah sikit. Sebab dia banyak tanggungjawab kan banding dengan lelaki. Okay, so mana yang nak cerita ni?
Okay, so yang hari tu kalau ikut saya nak show pada Prof hari tu hari tu apa Dr. Faisal minta saya tu, saya dah perbaiki dah tak 2019 dengan 2020. Lepas tu yang Prof minta saya buat hari tu yang ni lah, yang table apa namanya jenis-jenis zakat fitrah collection by state. No markup. Okay.
Ni by state hari tu apa yang saya minta saya pun dah tak ingat.
Prof suruh ni lah, just apa bentuk collection yang by state lah.
Ni Amil counter ke apa ni?
Amil slash Amil atau counter, maknanya ni konvensional lah.
So yang saya punya komen tu mekanisme zakat fitrah collection, okay, you dah tengok setiap website dia orang maksudnya?
Ya saya.
Okay, ni dia punya ni lah maksudnya.
Okay. Website dengan saya pun pergi portal bank untuk verify yang memang ada option pada setiap state tersebut, dan juga apa fintech punya operator lah.
So apa you punya finding daripada sini?
So daripada situ bila saya tengok yang kenaikan tinggi 9 to 60%, rata-rata mereka memang apa multiple apa namanya modes yang melibatkan fintech lah.
Semua ada lah, tapi hari tu you cakap ada yang tak, ada yang dah.
Tapi apa bila saya tengok balik semua dah ada, cuma macam negeri macam Perlis apa semua ni tak banyak option lah.
Okay, semua dah ada lah maksudnya, bukannya macam dulu hari tu you cakap ada beberapa negeri tak berapa bagus kan? So sekarang ni you punya finding dah lain sikit, dah cerita dah lain sikit.
Mana semua dah ada, tapi yang mana macam wilayah persekutuan tu dia banyak multiple modes lah.
So kalau macam tu maksudnya dia orang dah buat fintech lah.
Dia dah buat, cuma dia mungkin kena apa banyakkan lagi apa source lah. Contoh apa namanya macam kat Perlis ni just a few banks, lepas tu dia pakai apa nama Islamic banking dengan mobile banking, tapi based on apa Bank Islam memang tuju dengan CIMB. And then apa dia pun pakai gateway. Cuma gateway dia Snappay mungkin dia boleh pakai apa Boost ke, dia pakai yang lain-lain.
Okay, tapi tak apalah sebab you bukan nak tengok dekat apa ni majlis sangat kan, you nak tengok
saya
semua kan
dekat apa users.
User. So maksudnya yang ni ialah findings you sekarang ni lah. So maksudnya kalau contohnya you nanti nampak contohnya user dekat Perlis katakan dia ni macam susah, so you dah tahulah kenapa. Kan?
Dia dalam keadaan dia tak banyak itu kan.
You dah tahulah sebab apa Perlis memang ada 3. Sebab tu lah dia orang ada masalah sikit. Contoh. Ini kita dah macam menjangkakan jawapan dia masa yang dah habis masa collect data semua tu nanti beranalisis.
Cuma saya concentrate kat Putrajaya je Prof.
Oh you tak Putrajaya.
So Putrajaya semua sepatutnya senang ceritanya patut dah apa enabler semua dah lengkap lah, maknanya dia dah perfect, maknanya semata-mata individu punya behavior lah.
Okay. Kalau Putrajaya you buka balik yang ni, Putrajaya dekat
atas sikit tengah-tengah. Ya.
Banyak lah ni. Oh banyak Memang penuh lah.
So semua ada pula.
Ya.
Ha.
So maksudnya patutnya consumer tak ada masalah lah kat sini.
Sepatutnya tak ada masalah.
Okey, kalau macam tu maksudnya kalau you masa nak cerita nanti, patutnya kenapa you pilih Putrajaya tu? Sebab apa Putrajaya memang dah kira yang paling komplit ke ataupun you kata macam mana? Adakah Putrajaya ni memang paling komplit?
Setakat yang saya letak sebelum ni sebab saya just after Prof minta buat baru saya realise saya just letak dia lengkap kemudahan internet. So mungkin saya akan boleh letak lah. So daripada segi enabler selain internet, means of fintech dia hampir boleh katakan semua dah ada lah.
Ada tak negeri lain yang macam dia? Tak ada. Ke dia yang paling ni?
Saya tengok setakat yang paling perfect dia lah.
So maksudnya memang you kalau buat ni memang maksudnya sampel you tu memang Putrajaya ni punya ni dah cukup lah, dah cukup baik lah maksudnya. So maksudnya majlis-majlis lain boleh ikut Putrajaya contoh. Boleh ke begitu?
Itu kalau dia punya hasil dia mungkin itu yang saya setuju apa yang Prof tu lah propose.
Okey, yang ni you dah tunjuk dekat dekat Ustaz Faisal tak?
Dah dia dah tengok dah.
So dia cakap apa ni?
Dia tak ada komen apa-apa Prof. Dia lebih kepada writing itu yang dia boleh komen lah.
Okey. So yang ni dah okey. Ada lagi yang lain yang you nak ni? So maksudnya you dah dapat sesuatu lah daripada deskriptif ni daripada you punya ni.
Alhamdulillah lah Prof minta saya buat ni. Saya nampak.
Okey.
And then yang ni terus kepada problem statement lah yang kan banyak yang Prof the way tu macam saya kena buat balik kan.
Okey. So problem statement apa you buat?
Ke bawah sikit Prof.
Yang ni ke?
Ada tu yang saya dikitkan bila Prof ke atas sikit Prof.
Yang baru jap. Kita tengok yang ni.
No markup boleh tak? No. Rasa atas ke Prof? Saya mula atas lagi Prof. Ni dia pandemik ni. Saya mula dari situ.
Romania ni bukan zakat kan?
Bukan. Dia guna e-wallet je. Guna fintech.
Okey. Cuba cerita apa problem ni yang you nak highlight ni.
Yang mula masa saya bincang dengan Prof suruh saya terbalikkan semua construct you tahu betul lah, dah tahu satu-satu tu daripada setiap satu tu apa yang mungkin masalah tu timbul lah. So saya tak ada control Prof.
Boleh.
Yang pertama saya timbulkan keadaan tu berlaku sebab COVID ni lah yang kita bincang.
Okay, COVID tu saya baca tadi dah, okay. Lepas tu, problem dia?
So problemnya memang nak tak nak Muslim kena pakai fintech lah as a main option. So bila pakai fintech tu, adakah mereka berpuas hati untuk guna ataupun mereka guna dalam keadaan terpaksa? Dan apabila kalau mereka berpuas hati dan mereka sanggup guna fintech ni, so ni akan jadi stepping stone lah untuk Muslim di Putrajaya ni gunakan fintech untuk urusan Islamic finance.
Okay. Okay, yang apa ni, yang tiga yang you punya model tu hello? Hilang pula dah.
Quran hour.
Dragon Prof, sorry Prof, tak keluar pula.
Ingatkan habis kredit.
Sorry Prof. Sorry.
Okay, so
Sorry.
basically macam ni lah. Ni pun dah pukul 10 lebih ni. Macam ni nanti kita sambung lagi nantilah. Okay.
So apa lagi yang saya kena tambah baik kat problem statement saya Prof, yang Prof nampak secara umum lah?
Itulah nanti selalu orang tanya apa problem dia. Yang tu je. Apa problem dia? Kan?
Okay, saya tengok balik, saya kena brush up my problem yang main point dia lah.
Problem dia bila orang tanya apa problem dia. So you boleh jawab terus. Senang cerita. Kalau you dapat jawab terus tu maksudnya dah ada lah tu problem dia.
Okay.
Tapi
So nanti
kalau you cakap COVID, lepas tu apa COVID bila satu problem kan. Jadi jadi mungkin boleh jadi juga. Tapi kalau you punya U-Talk tu yang kan kita tengok U-Talk tu kan you ada dia punya construct dia tu, ada tak problem kat situ? Ada tak?
Saya memang ambil dari situ Bro. Contoh kalau
itu apa yang kita
ada contoh tu effort expectancy, saya letakkan kajian lepas tapi tak berkaitan dengan zakat lah. ada yang apa digital divide berkaitan dengan age. So lepas tu pula kalau dengan yang remaja, mereka punya expectation nak lagi apa namanya teknologi apps yang lagi power lah. So kat situ yang mungkin perlukan feedback daripada daripada user macam mana penggunaan fintech untuk zakat ni.
Okay.
So macam apa performance expectancy lebih-lebih sekarang ni keadaan apa COVID. So adakah penggunaan fintech ni memudahkan mereka nak gunalah, sebab kalau kata performance expectancy ni dua perkara, satu technicality, lepas tu yang keduanya man support.
Betul. Macam tadi kan, rumah saya nak pergi buat lesen, renew lesen. You punya department ni, transportation.
Dah tinggal lah.
Tinggal. Lepas tu dia sekarang ni nak kena buat appointment tau sebenarnya. Tadi dah pergi dah UTC, pergi Jakpos, pergi UTC, sampai Seremban pergi. Sekali suruh balik buat appointment. Jadi lepas tu nak cari buat appointment tu tak jumpa pula dalam dia punya website ke apa ke, semua masalah. Bila pergi ke Jakpos pula dia macam-macam isu dia. So dia memang macam fintech tu dia ada banyak problem lagi lah. Jadi kat zakat ni
dua cara Prof yang mudah, sebab saya buat satu MyEG, satu lagi Prof Google MySikap.
MyEG sekarang tadi dia buat MyEG.
MyEG senang Prof, hantar rumah terus.
Tapi MyEG dia kena charge dekat RM30.
Oh, okey.
Tapi untuk 5 tahun lah. Tapi kalau saya
okey Prof ambil 5 tahun dah. Alright.
Tapi kalau saya cakap kalau dia ambil untuk setahun baru RM30, takkan kena charge RM30 ke RM60.
Betul.
Kalau yang setahun kan. Takkan dia orang charge RM30 juga kan. Jadi expensive lah. Tapi yang dia ambil, yang wife saya ambil 5 tahun. Kena RM30. So rasanya untuk fintech sepatutnya dia tak boleh lagi mahal daripada dia pergi kepada Jakpos ke apa ke Jakpos RM1 kan, baru RM2 kan.
Betul, dia capex dia Prof. Bila dah ada tu opex dah semua dah tak pakai orang tu sangat pun. Serba kalau sekarang pakai cloud pun lagi kurang dia punya technical dia.
Ya dia ambil MyEG nak ambil untung lah tu. Okay, itu kita faham lah. MyEG nak ambil untung. Tapi rasanya macam melampau jugalah dia punya harga tu. Tapi kalau zakat ni dia orang dalam isu ni macam tu lah contohnya lah. Kan? Lagi apa lagi? Daripada you talk tu ada berapa banyak you punya variable? 5 kan?
Ada 4. Ada 4. Social influence. Saya terangkan bahawa rata-rata orang sekarang guna guna media sosial apa semua untuk dapatkan pandangan orang ramai, termasuk matured punya user like postgraduate lah. So sekarang ni ada elok zakat institution determine group of committees mana yang influence pembayar zakat diguna fintech.
Problem dia apa?
Problemnya ialah zakat institusi tahu tak komuniti mana yang boleh bantu mereka mempromosikan penggunaan fintech ni.
Maksudnya macam mana culture norms tu lah. Culture norms tu, subjective norm tu mempengaruhi lah maksudnya. Okay, lagi satu.
Dan last facilitating condition.
Okay. Condition tu you define sebagai apa?
Sorry Prof, tadi yang pasal technical dengan human support tu facilitating condition. Yang performance expectancy ni kita guna mudah tak untuk kerja kita. Maksudnya sekarang ni kita guna ni ketika zaman COVID. So sepatutnya dia lagi memudahkan penggunaan pembayar zakat lah yang tak boleh keluar daripada rumah.
Okay. Okay lah tu. So problem dia maksudnya you kena pandai lah cerita dia jadi problem
Terbalik kan.
Ah.
Tak apa, nanti saya yang discussion berikutnya yang mana yang saya jadikan main topik dia, saya apa bold ke apalah.
Okay, yang ni you dah discuss dengan Dr. Faisal?
Yang ni belum bro.
Nanti discuss dengan dia dulu.
Okay.
Tapi kalau apa yang you dah buat ni maksudnya memang apa lah yang tadi lah kan, cuma nampakkanlah dia jadi problem. So okay lah tu. So you dah nampak dia dah ada dia punya point-point tu. Tinggal dia punya penulisan tu nak jadikan dia tu problem dia.
Yang pembaca nampak memang apa patut dibuat kajian lah.
Ya. Okay.
Terima kasih banyak Prof bila banyak guide saya tu, bila saya baca yang sebelum ni dengan yang sekarang ni, memang banyaklah saya punya apa namanya perubahan lah.
Okay.
Dengan cerita zakat apa semua. Lepas tu saya pun dah tengok satu-satu website, dapatlah banyak saya retrieve.
Nah ini itu kita ceritakan problem 1, 2, 3 kan. Subjective norm, PU. Lepas tu Schumpeter ni you nak masuk kat mana?
Schumpeter tu saya just menerangkan masa dekat background ke apa yang menerangkan bahawa mengapa guna fintech tu lah.
Disruption of technology lah. Yang Solo ni you cerita?
Solo ada. Saya rasa yang apa 1.2 kan. Tapi just simple je lah saya masukkan.
Okay, ekonomi tambah laju lah maksudnya kan.
Maksudnya dia punya efisiensi meningkat lah sebab apa ada advancement teknologi.
Okay. Alright. So yang lain apa lagi komen? Yang hijau ni apa?
Yang hijau ni yang apa point yang Prof tengok balik yang Prof rasa tak sesuai lah.
Oh, digital divide semua ni.
Saya pun tak masukkan. Saya just apa Prof kata Prof nak tengok perbincangan akan datang, benda tu ada lah apa yang perbincangan yang lepas yang Prof apa.
Yang ni apa ni growth supply ni?
Ni apa nama apa tu lah tadi.
Solo ni.
Teori yang kedua tadi apa?
Solo model.
Solo tu.
Okay. So okay lah kot. Ni you ni demam ke apa ni? Ni man.
Darah saya kalau gastrik saya datang, saya punya darah naik.
Bahaya tu. Okay ni. Bahaya. Darah tinggi.
Betul.
Okay.
Ada orang kata sebab stres, tapi saya rasa lebih pada bila saya buat kerja, saya tak jaga makan, tu yang apa gastrik datang. Bila gastrik datang saya punya darah naik.
Okay, macam ni. Bila kita buat you punya masters ni, kesihatan tu kena jaga. Stres memang ada, tapi kena jagalah supaya jangan stres sangat sampai darah naik. Sebab saya macam saya pun kadang-kadang saya stres juga masa time contohnya masa marking, orang bagi kerja apa semua lah, contohlah. Tu kadang stres memang naik darah. Memang naik darah. Kan, jadi kalau boleh kan kita kalau rasa tengah stres je tu relax dulu. Relax dulu.
Prof, saya kalau buat kerja makan pun saya tak ingat Prof, tu yang masalah.
Itu tak boleh tu, kena makan. Kena sediakanlah makanan tu ni. Kadang-kadang ni lah. Alah, tapi itulah kadang kita nak tunggu rumah tak boleh kan.
Itu dah saya selalu yelah hari ni dengan semalam ni tu silap saya selalu saya dah ready dah saya punya apa air coklat biskut apa semua tu sambil naik. Tapi apa semalam apa buat saya sampai lupa ya saya tak makan lagi.
Kau jangan nak tambah satu lagi pula dah.
Tak.
Tak ada dah saja gurau. Saya pun tak ada dah. Tapi kadang-kadang itulah dia minta lah sikit orang rumah tolong ni. Tolong perhatikan you tu.
Yelah dia memang perhati Prof. Saya je sebab semalam saya memang minta apa saya tak diganggu untuk buat ni. Tapi sampai saya sendiri pun ni.
Tak. Kalau boleh tu tengoklah tu bab apa tu makan tu kalau boleh ada lah. Saya memang kalau boleh makan memang saya akan cuba beli barang-barang yang boleh saya mancing-mancing lah tu yang tu. Okey, kita ni rehat dah.
Okey, terima kasih banyak Prof.
Okey, Ustaz.
Okey, Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.